I want a girl who's funny, who parang, oh shit, she could be funnier than me pa. No, she is funnier than me.
Yeah, kasi when they say like, oh, I like funny guys, it depends. Like, anong funny ba yung gusto mo? Like, yung charming funny or dead baby jokes funny? Kasi,
Baka ang more of
The question.
Hindi, iba pa rin naman eh. Pwede namang iba yung humor niya sa humor mo, pero you kind of both appreciate each other's humor. Parang ganun.
yeah.
I prefer that. Na parang I learned then, oh shit, that's a new
Ito,
kind of
si Vic,
humor.
Girlfriend niya, funny girl.
Nakakatawa
Oo.
literal na nagba-burst out laughing ako.
Ganun.
So, pero rare yung ganun. Like ko sinasabi na
Rare talaga.
maganda tapos nakakatawa. At the same time, rare din yung katulad ko na nakakatawa na mahiling mag-push-ups. Hindi mo na ako, mahiling lang mag-push-ups. Kinompensate ko eh dahil yung face value ko sakto lang eh.
But like meron talaga yung mga funny girls na parang nawawala yung flaws nila kasi they're so personable, so funny. So yeah.
No offset.
Yeah, no offset.
Ganun talaga yung comedy, no? Parang kahit sa lalaki.
Nagkaka-license eh.
Oo, nawawala yung hindi ka pinapagalitan or,
Yeah.
di ba?
And when the clock strikes 12, pare, babalik ka na sa dating fungus monster.